How small are particles of matter? Everything around us is made of matter, and matter is made up of particles. Particles of matter are very small. However, small the quantity of matter may be considered, it retains its basic properties as the particles of matter are very small. We shall now describe an experiment to show that the particles of matter are very small. Aim: to prove that the particles of matter are very small. Materials required: beakers, KMnO4 crystals, water, ml syringe. Procedure: take 2 to 3 crystals of potassium permanganate and dissolve them in 100 ml of water. Take out approximately 10 ml of this solution and put it into 90 ml of clear water. Take out 10 ml of this solution and put it into another 90 ml of clear water. Keep diluting the solution like this 3 to 4 times. What do you observe? The water still changes its color. Inference: this experiment shows that just a few crystals of potassium permanganate can color a large volume of water, about 1000 liters. So we conclude that there must be millions of tiny particles in just one crystal of potassium permanganate, which keep on dividing themselves into smaller and smaller particles.